Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use calculator logic in Typeform step by step. If you want your form to automatically calculate scores, totals, prices, or points based on user answers, calculator logic is one of the most powerful features you can use. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then, create a new form or open an existing one. Start by building your questions normally. You can add multiple choice questions, opinion scales, or yes or no questions, depending on the type of calculation you want to create. Now, here's where calculator logic comes in. Click on the logic section inside the form builder. Next, assign values to your answer choices. For example, if you're creating a quiz, give correct answers a higher score. Or if you're building an order form, each product option can have a different price. For example, Basic plan equals 10 points, Premium equals 20 points, and Advanced equals 30 points. When users select an option, Typeform automatically adds the value to a running total behind the scenes. You can then use that calculated result in different ways. For example, you can show different ending screens depending on the final score, recommend products based on totals, or create personalized outcomes. Calculator logic is especially useful for quizzes, pricing forms, lead scoring, personality tests, and product recommendation forms. Another powerful feature is combining calculations with conditional logic. This makes your form smarter and more interactive. As you build your logic, keep your scoring structure simple and organized. That's how you use calculator logic in Typeform. Please share this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.